What's going on, everybody? So I'm super excited. You may have noticed a video ad in the beginning of this video. Well, I'm officially YouTube monetized and I was able to do it in under 7 months. So in this video, I'm going to take you through my journey on how I did it very quickly as a complete beginner. I was so scared to get on video, but guys, I'm here now. I'm monetized and my channel is growing. So I'm going to take you step by step through my journey, and I'm going to give you some tips and tricks how you can, start a YouTube channel in 2020 and get monetized fairly quickly. So stick to the end of the video and I'm going to show you kind of my secret tip that helped me grow very quickly. Okay, so if you stick to the end, I'm going to show you exactly what I did. Okay. First of all, if you are new to my channel, my name is Jonathan Montoya with Passive Income Lifestyles. I teach people how to make money online using and leveraging the internet, but also help YouTube channels grow. I mean, that's basically what I've been trying to do is, help, smaller YouTube channels grow, because when I first started, I was taking advice from these, huge YouTuber channels, like 2 million subscribers, 1 million subscribers. But you got to understand, they got big with the old algorithm, okay? So with this, with my channel, I was trying to focus on the new algorithm and how could I grow as a small YouTube channel. So, that's basically what I've been focusing on. And what I want to do is help you guys grow as a new YouTube channel or an old channel. I mean, these methods work old or new, but if you're a new channel and you think you can't get monetized or you think you can't grow, you definitely can. I'm a testament of that, and I'm going to show you exactly what I did. Okay, so let's get started. So first of all, how do you even get monetized, and what does that even mean, right? So basically, monetize means that on all my videos I would now have ads. So basically, if people are watching those ads, they click on the ads, or they watch, I think, more than 5 seconds, I get paid for each one. So it's very lucrative. I can get paid a lot of money, the more ads that are played on my videos, right? So you need certain requirements here. So first of all, obviously you got to follow YouTube monetization policies. So that's pretty simple. And then 2, you have to live in a country or region where the YouTube Partner Program is available. So I think most countries it is available. Number 3, you have to have 4,000 valid public hours in the last 12 months. Now, it's not like from January to December, okay? It's not like the whole year. It's exactly 12 months, like say today is, December 16th. So it'd have to be from December 16th, 2018 to now. And they look at that whole timeline, okay? So it just keeps going every single day. I'll show you exactly in my analytics here in a little bit. But so I think that's the hardest part, is the 4,000 watch hours. That's about 240,000 minutes, okay? And then number 4, you have to have 1,000 subscribers. And then number 5, you have a Google AdSense account. So basically, it's this account here where that's basically how you get paid with Google or YouTube. Is you have to have a valid AdSense account, and then basically you can get paid. So that's pretty much it. And so next, okay, my timeline. Okay, so I started my channel in May 2016. I posted my first video. I think it was in the middle of May, actually. And actually, let me see if I can pull that up here. So let me go to it. You can see, yeah, here's my first video here. So May 14, 2019. This was my first video here. It's actually a horrible thumbnail, but I got to start somewhere, right? And I was so nervous to get on video. And, I've always wanted to start a YouTube channel, but I was always so scared and nervous. And everyone would always tell me, well, you can't grow on YouTube anymore. YouTube's saturated. You're not going to be able to do it. But I finally just stopped listening to all that noise, guys, and I just started my channel. Yes, I was so nervous to get on video. I mean, I still am nervous to get on video, but I'm getting better at it as we go. I'm taking you on my journey, right? So this is my first video here. As you can tell, the thumbnail is horrible. It looks so bad, but that's what it is. Let me see. I think I have that pulled up. And yeah, that was my first video. Is basically teaching people how to make money on YouTube without making videos. So that's it. Here it is right here.
How's it going, guys? So I have some.
The audio is horrible.
So it's basically, I'm going to show you how to start a YouTube channel.
Oh man. Anyways, that is my first video on YouTube. So basically that was May 14th. Then I hit my first 1,000 subscribers in September 27th. Basically, it took me, what was that, 5 months? So I was able to hit that pretty quickly. Now, here's the thing, guys. in May, June, July, August, I didn't create that many videos. I was doing like in May I only created 3. I think June I created maybe like 10. I really just started creating lots of videos like in August, October or September, October. Then I really started like creating tons of videos. Okay, but yeah, on December 27th, I posted here that I hit 1,000 subscribers. So I had hit number 4 here, which is I had to hit 1,000 subscribers. So now I had to hit 4,000 watch hours, which was the next goal. Now 4,000 watch hours is a lot harder, but I'm gonna show you exactly what I did on how to get those watch hours. Okay. All right. So I got YouTube monetized on December 16th, which actually this was the 15th. Today's the 16th. So let me fix this real quick. All right. So I was YouTube monetized December 15th. Now I was put in YouTube review December 15th, 8 a.m. Okay. So I had just hit my 4,000 watch hours, and basically YouTube puts you in a review to make sure everything's good with your account. And typically what I've heard is it takes anywhere from 2 weeks to even like a few months to get approved. So I was like, okay, well, I was excited, but I was like, well, I still got to get approved. Hopefully everything's okay. But guys, I got accepted the same day. One of my mentors was like blown away. He's like, you got accepted the same day? I was like, yes. So I was super excited. So you can see here I got the email at 3:11 p.m. Says, congratulations, your YouTube channel, Passive Income Lifestyles, has been accepted. So this is where I was at the moment. I had 2,301 subscribers when I was monetized, and I had created 131 videos. Okay, so that's where I'm at. This is obviously the 132nd video, because this video is the first video of being monetized. Okay, so that's where I'm at the moment. Let me explain more of what monetization means, right? So what type of ads can I put on now? So I can pretty much put an ad on anywhere I want. So I can either let YouTube do it, or if my video is more than 10 minutes, I can choose where I want the ads, okay? Let me show you something really cool though, okay? So as far as my analytics goes, basically, so you can see here, this is May. You can see my reach has just exponentially grown, guys, and that's the thing with YouTube, is it starts out really slow. You can see it starts out really slow, very inconsistent. Well, I mean, it's consistently going up, right? Like it kind of drops here, but then it just goes up and up and up and up, and exponentially goes up. It makes it easier to grow. The thing is, guys, you got to realize how the YouTube algorithm works, right? So they want you to be consistent, okay, which is hard at first because you don't get any views, and it sucks, but it's okay because you're getting better anyway. So you don't want people to watch you, right? Because you want to like get better at your craft or what you're talking about. So stay consistent, but also post as much as you can, guys. I started posting every day, I think in October, okay, and that's what really, like, I mean, you can see here the growth in October. It just started shooting up, right? But I started posting more. I started putting more content out, and that's what really helped me. Okay, so let me see if I can find actual how many views I had. Let's see here. So views, 60, watch time. Here we go. So I shot up in watch time. Look at that. I definitely shot up in watch time. So YouTube will start promoting you, and you'll just shoot up. And I actually have videos on how to do YouTube SEO, how to get YouTube to recommend your content. I'm not going to go too much into that now because I have a whole playlist dedicated to that. This is all about YouTube monetization. So anyways, that is what I wanted to show you. Real quick, I also wanted to show you what type of ads you could actually place. So if I go to my videos, I can place ads anywhere I want if it's more than 10 minutes long, which is what I recommend. Okay, and I'm gonna go into that later on like how I got more watch time. Okay, but basically, if I go in here, if I click on this video here, I can basically choose where I want my ads placed. Okay, so if I go to you can go to specific videos or your whole channel, but like for this one, I think it's 18 minutes long, so I can go here. And if I go to monetization, I can choose exactly where I want the ads. I can choose how many ads I want to put on there, and then basically that's it. But that's a cool thing about having a video longer than 10 minutes. One, you're going to have longer watch time. You're going to have, you're going to get to that 4,000 watch hours quicker, but you can also put ads, in between. So you can see here, I have ads pretty much wherever YouTube wants to put ads, I let them do it. But if I want to place manual ads, I can go to place manually, and I can simply put ads anywhere I want in here. Okay. So anyways, I just wanted to show you that. Let's continue here. Okay, so how to get monetized on YouTube. This is what I did, okay? So biggest factor is watch time and views. That's probably the hardest part is getting watch time, okay? Because 4,000 hours is a lot of time, okay? So one thing that I did, the biggest thing was I started creating longer videos, 10 minutes to an hour. Like some of my longer videos are like an hour, but people are watching them, okay? I'm not just making like crappy videos for an hour. Like it's actually really, really good content. Like I spent thousands of dollars on some of these courses and I'm literally just giving it to people for free, right? So anyways, they're longer videos, but they're extremely valuable. So that was a big tip, that I'd recommend is longer videos, at least 10 minutes, because remember, when you do get monetized, then, if the video is longer than 10 minutes, you can place ads in between wherever you want, right? Plus YouTube likes it more and you get faster, you get to your watch time goals quicker, okay? And you get more views. So that's important. Obviously you need subscribers. That kind of comes with the, if you're creating good content, if you're getting watch time, you're just going to get subscribers naturally. I was not focused too much on the subscribers. I mean, obviously I love the subscribers, but what I'm saying is, if you're focused on the views and the watch time, the subscribers will come, right? Because that means you have good content. That means people are watching your videos. That means they're staying on your videos longer. So if they are doing that, you're naturally going to get subscribers, okay? But like I said, the biggest factor is watch time and views. So just basically create really good content for 10 minutes or more, okay? So you'll notice that all my videos are between 10 to 25 minutes, like average, okay? So here's so this is kind of the main thing I want to talk about. This was like the thing that really helped me like just blow up. I'll talk about that here in a little bit, but I want to talk about more about how to get that 4,000 watch hours, because that was the hardest thing for me. And I think that's the hardest part for most YouTubers is the 4,000 watch hours. Okay, so basically you can do this. Okay, this is mathematically breaking it down. So you can make 240,000 videos at 10 minutes long with each getting one view. Okay, that's pretty much impossible. So let's take it a step further. So we can make 2,400 videos at 10 minutes long with getting 10 views. Still a lot of videos, right? So you can also do 240 videos at 10 minutes long, getting 100 views. Okay, so if you can focus on that, you're pretty much going to get monetized. Like, in 240 videos is not that much, guys. Like, that's definitely doable. Like, I mean, I think I did 131 videos, but, the thing is, this is like a linear graph, okay? This is saying that, you're always going to get 100 views. Well, that's not true. You're going to start off with like 5 views, then 10, then 20, then 30. It just exponentially goes up. So it gets easier and easier to get views, okay? So this is obviously not super accurate, but you just take worst case scenario, 240 videos at 10 minutes long, that's doable. That's a doable thing you can do, okay? So anyone can do this, okay? And you're going to get better at your videos. I promise you that. Like, you should see my old videos, like they're pretty bad. So I actually have a video of me getting on the news, and I totally messed up. It was the most embarrassing thing ever. One day I'll post it. I'm still very embarrassed about that. If you want me to post it, let me know. If I get like more than 50 comments on when I was on the news, I will post it for you guys. But that was definitely the most embarrassing thing ever. But what I'm saying is I put myself out there, and I strive to get better every day. And yeah, that's the thing, guys. You get better no matter your fears or whatever it is. So anyways, what I'm saying is it's possible. Don't let anyone tell you that you can't start a YouTube channel in 2020, because you definitely can. Look at me, guys. I'm not even that great on video, but I have a ton of knowledge about affiliate marketing, or my business. I teach people how to make money online, starting an online business, right? I knew a lot about that, but I just didn't want to get on video. But now that I'm getting on video, I can help people out. So that's the biggest thing, guys, is knowing what you can do for people, okay? All right, so anyways, this was my biggest factor, okay? Yes, SEO was huge. Yes, I knew how the algorithm worked, but what really helped me was distribution, okay? That helped me get extra people to my YouTube hub. Not only that helped my YouTube hub grow, I was able to make a lot of money with affiliate marketing, which is another subject. But, okay, distribution, what does that mean? So, basically, you got your YouTube channel. Now, let's get a lot of people to that YouTube channel, whether it's email, whether it's Facebook groups, whether it's Pinterest, whether it's TikTok. That is the secret sauce, guys, okay? using other, distribution factors to get to your YouTube channel. So for example, in my Pinterest account, I have a ton of pins going back to my YouTube channel, right? So, I have a ton of videos teaching you exactly how to get people to your YouTube channel, right? Or getting people to my YouTube channel, like right here, the best YouTube hack right here. So a lot of these pins are going to my YouTube channel on my blog, right? So I'm using Pinterest as a distribution, right? So that's a great way to do it. Another one is TikTok. TikTok has actually helped me get a lot of subscribers here. As you can see, 400,000 views on TikTok. You can definitely watch that video. I'm going to show you exactly how I use TikTok to grow my YouTube channel. That's another distribution. Also, Facebook groups. I did a whole training on that. I use Facebook groups to get people to my YouTube channel. So guys, that was huge because I was able to get these external factors to my YouTube channel. Now, that wasn't the only thing. I was able to do it with YouTube search, with YouTube recommendations, and that's the most powerful thing is YouTube search and YouTube recommendation. But you also want to help yourself out, right? If you want to get to that subscribers and that subscribers and watch time quicker, use distributions, okay? Whether it's Facebook, TikTok, Quora. I mean, I was using everything, but I wanted to get to that 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours quickly. I wanted to get monetized. So that was the main goal, okay? So this is kind of like my secret sauce here. This is what helped me get there quicker. Yes, I did get a lot of, what was it called? I used a lot of YouTube SEO, of course, and I got really good at that. And I have a whole playlist talking about YouTube SEO, but a distribution channel just helps you, right? So distribution as in even other YouTubers promoting your account or whatever it is, it just helps you grow quicker. And you don't have to do that, but if you can use Pinterest to drive people or TikTok to drive people to your account, that's just going to help you grow quicker, right? So anyways, that's pretty much it, guys. That's basically how I got monetized. I do want to do another video on my first YouTube check to show you exactly how much I'm making with YouTube ads. Obviously, I just got monetized, so I won't know for probably another month. But if you are interested in how I got monetized, YouTube ads, like how much I got paid, let me know below and I will do a video about that. Hopefully this video was of value to you guys, and hopefully it gives you some motivation to continue on your YouTube journey. If you haven't even started that, you can get started, and anyone can do this. If I can do this, anyone can do this, guys, because like I said, I wasn't that great on video. Like, I'm still trying to get better, so you can definitely do it. I promise you can. You just got to do it, okay? You just got to get rid of all your fears. Just forget what everyone's telling you and just start your channel, okay? I still have a lot of plans for my channel to make it better, and I'm still getting better every day. So that's the journey. I'm taking you on my journey. I don't have 100,000 subscribers or 200,000 yet. I'm still a baby channel, but I did what a lot of people said I couldn't do with the new YouTube algorithm. So anyways, guys, hopefully this video helps and gives you some motivation. Subscribe to the channel, like this video, comment if you have any questions. But yeah, that's pretty much all I have for you guys, and I'll talk to you soon.